we've got our panel powered up and we're on the main screen. This is going to tell us what's happening with our equipment. So we have our CON and our AH. On the output line, we have CON, Y1, Y2. So we're outputting for 2 stages on the compressor. We're outputting for a Y1 on the air handler, so we're going to run that in a low stage blower. And then we have our G and our O terminal being outputted for as well. It's important to note the OAT, which is our outside air temperature, and the LAT, which is our leaving air temperature. If you are having some issues, that's a question we're going to ask you. Compressor lockout is going to tell you if there's a stage locked out. So if you see 1 or 2 listed there, it's going to tell you that first stage or second stage compressor is locked out. The purge time is going to let you know how long is left on that lockout, or if we're in a post purge at the end of a call at the RZL panel. Our zones, it's going to tell you what zones are being outputted for. So right now we can see that we have a call at zone 2. Zone 2's weight is 45%. If we had multiple zones calling, that weight would add together to give us our total zone weight. By pressing the blue enter button, we can go to our zone 1 messages. We can see that zone 1 is not being served and that there is a call for W1-HTG. So there's a heating call at zone 1 that is not being served right now. Zone 2, we can see that it's being served. It's been served now for 11 minutes, a little over. We have a call at YG-CLG. So we have a cooling call at zone 2, and that's going to be served for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's going to go back to the heating call, and it will switch back and forth between heating and cooling calls every 20 minutes. We go to zone 3, we can see that it has a fan call. Fan calls are the least priority, and they will always be superseded by a call for heating or cooling. So if you have your thermostat set to run the fan, that's going to be ignored if a call for heating or cooling comes in at another zone. And then the last screen we have is our heat pump status messages. This isn't going to indicate there's a fault with the equipment, but it is going to indicate if we have low temperature outside and it needs to lock out the heat pump for the backup heat, or if we have high temperature in the ductwork, it's going to tell us capacity stage down, or if we have low temperature in the ductwork, it'll tell us capacity stage up.